let's take a look at one specific program now. Yeah, we are going to build a house today, and by we, I mean this turtle. This thing right here is my main program. It calls other programs and prepares the turtle for programs that are yet to come. Between the programs this program calls are ones such like make walls, but this one is quite difficult, so let's just stick to make floor. Make floor is controlled by three variables z, y, and x. I'll explain them while I will run the turtle to build the house actually, but we can have a look. There is some if statement, which we will take a look in a little while, and there's a loop below that. It's controlled by the variable x, which is set to the same value as z is. Then the loop happens x times. It replaces x blocks by the wood planks, which are located at the slot 1, and takes the digging out blocks in slot 16. The if statement always happens only if y is 0 and sets y back to 2 and then subtracts 1 from z. That is because every second turn the distance the turtle has to dig out is shortened by 1 block. Now back to the main code. So this is the place where make floor is called first, and then there are the other programs. Then there is this small piece of code where there are 2 blocks digging out from the building, then slot 13, or wooden door, is selected and then placed. Then there is this little part which we aren't interested in right now, so let's just see what our turtle can do. If you remember, there was a variable z, which was supposed to tell the turtle how many blocks it's supposed to dig out. From the beginning, it was 5, and indeed, it did 5 blocks, and then it was supposed to dig only 4 because this one was already dug out. Well, and it quite does, because every second turn there is the variable y to shorten the z by 1. And as you can see, it built the floor quite well. Now the program make walls was turned on. Basically, in this program there is a loop inside a loop inside a loop, and that is why I didn't want to show this program. It's just too complicated, because one loop is now the one row. Then there is a loop which makes it repeat the line above, and then there is a loop which makes repeat the whole wall. Plus there is an if statement that makes the turtle to place the glass pane instead of the wooden planks. And I have to say, this turtle is quite awesome. I'm quite jealous I didn't meet this turtle when I was learning how to program, because it can teach you quite simple programs, but it's the basics you really need. Because you just create a program and then make it call another program, like build roof. Now, if you put enough attention, you could catch this is just a modified make floor program. The only difference is it uses different type of block in the second row. Now the turtle is going to make door. It digs out 2 blocks, and the job is done. Thank you for your attention, and goodbye.